Super English. Let us continue with the chemistry foundation class for 9th, 10th and sometimes for 11th also. And this will be very much helpful for the 8th grade students also who want to score higher marks like 95% to 100% in chemistry. Okay. We were at the atomic structure. Let us do one more example clearly here. First of all, the point is that any element means X, any element, a variable X, it can be anything. Atomic number should be here, mass number or atomic mass here. Let us take the example of potassium. What is the atomic number of potassium? You go to the periodic table, go to the first group, hydrogen 1, lithium 2, sodium, below that you can find potassium, 19. There it is 19 and here there is a fraction, 39.098. Let me check whether the last one is correct or not, because it is the last. Usually we do not use that. Yes, right, that's correct. Yes. First point is that from the atomic number, you know that Z, that is atomic number, is the number of protons, and since it is a neutral atom, the number of protons and the number of electrons should be equal. So you got the number of protons and electrons 19. Then you may have a doubt here what to do. Here you cannot use fractions in doing. There is no half electron or half proton or half proton. So you have to make it a full number. For that you have to use the mathematical principle. If the fraction is 5 or above 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you have to add 1 to the preceding number. Here the preceding number is y. So you add 1 to this y. If it is 5, add 1, it will become 6. If it is 7, add 1, it will become 8. This is the first part. 5 or above 5. Okay. Next is, if the fraction is below 5, that is 1, 2, 3, up to 4 only. Don't go beyond. Up to 4. You can drop it, avoid it. No need to do anything. So the same principle we have to apply here. 39.098. So start from here, from the 8. Since this is more than 5, this is more than 5, you have to add 1 to this 9. Let us add 1. 9 plus 1, it is 10. So, how will you write this now? 39.10, that is 39.1 only. Since it is less than 5, you can drop that. Ultimately, we get the atomic mass as 39 and atomic number as 19. Yes, It's now easy to do that. Already you have to by heart the layout. The layout is first 2, second 8, third 8, fourth 1, 2, 3, fourth 18, 18, 32, like that it goes, but we do not need this many much, only for the last orbit one. So let us start drawing the atomic structure of potassium. There are 19 protons and write a plus charge on it. Neutrons we do not know, so we have to find out that. Okay. So Z is equal to, Z is equal to the number of P and number of V, and what is the symbol formula to find the number of neutrons? That is A minus Z. Simple. We have already calculated before, it is 39 atomic mass. From 39 subtract 19, then you will get 20, and that is the number of neutrons in the nucleus. Therefore, 20 neutrons are put a 0 here to show that there is no charge on it. But if there is a question present in your question paper, what is the charge of proton? What is the charge of nucleus? Always nucleus is positive. Then there is a force of attraction, electrostatic force of attraction between the protons and electrons, and that is why it is staying always like an atom. Like sun holding all the planets because of its strong gravity. You can compare everything with the solar system. Okay, so let us start drawing those structures. First orbit, maximum is 2. Second orbit, maximum is 8, 4, 5, 6, 8. Now, total number was 19. First orbit minus 2, it is 17. Minus 8, it is 9. There are 9 more electrons present. So you have to take the third orbit and start putting the electrons. 1, 2, 3,